What do you do when everyone around you still sees you as the one who handles everything, even though you're clearly falling apart? I've always been the strong one, the dependable one, the one you could always count on in a crisis. Poured myself into a 20-year teaching career, and when I had nothing left, I had to walk away. I paid for disability insurance just in case, and even that betrayed me, because fibromyalgia, apparently that's a special diagnosis that only gets 1 year of coverage. I spent that first year sleeping, mostly sleeping. I was a mess. The second year, I tried to crawl my way back, applying for jobs I was overqualified for with lousy pay. I still got rejected. I even applied to write a music curriculum for a homeschool program we were currently using, and still no. So I poured everything I had into the business I've been dreaming of for years. Mindfulness journals, coloring notebooks, pagan word searches, t-shirts, what I'm wearing, subscription boxes, courses, ritual kits, all of it. Every step blocked by tech, by algorithms, by systems that weren't designed for someone like me. I'd finally get help promised, and it wouldn't come. I'd try a new tactic, and it would flop. I've watched all the trainings, signed up for all the software, burned through all the savings, even had to cash out my retirement to keep our house. Now that money's gone too. I know what I'm building can help people. I believe in it so deeply. But I'm still stuck with unfinished tech, barely any followers, and no money left to bridge the gap. And I'm still expected to do everything else: bills, appointments, homeschooling, walking the dogs, all without a car. And through it all, I'm scared. Scared of failing my family. Scared of losing our home. Scared my husband will resent me if this doesn't work. He's not a bad man. He doesn't get it. He doesn't understand, and he can't. How could he when the stakes feel this high? I'm not lazy. I'm never still. My mind never stops. Even when I sit down, I'm calculating how to make money, how to fix this, how to save what we've built. And no matter how many times or ways I ask for help, it never comes. I'm tired. I'm drowning. And I'm doing everything I can. This is me. Still drowning, but I'm still trying.